kind of a crazy morning. Last 2 mornings, haven't got a chance to spend the time with my kitties like I would like because work. There's Charlie over there. He just finished eating up some mackerel. My boss was here this morning and banging around, scared away all the cats. There's Leo with his extra watery tuna, but he's frazzled because so much noise. I'm sorry, kitties. I can't tell my boss to be, well, I told him to be quiet, but it doesn't matter. I love you, kitties. And there's Funky eating her mackerel in the Henderson yard. My boss says that we're off all next week because there's no work. And so I'm going to be riding the bus up here 3 days next week just to feed the cats. Oh, Charlie's over there now. I don't know if you can see him. Hi, Charlie. How you feeling? Kay, I guess Jay, the morning feeder, saw Charlie get in a really bad cat fight yesterday morning. And so Kay texted me and asked if I'd seen him yesterday. He was so sick and tired. He, oh look, that's Leo coming through. You probably can't see, but Leo's coming through the fence over there. Maybe he'll let me pet him. Anyhow, Charlie was so messed up yesterday from his fight that he didn't even run off when I found him in his hiding spot. It's really scared me. I called Kay and said, you've got to come over here and take him to the hospital. And then she said that she didn't think he was that wounded because Jay had seen him eating after the fight, that he wasn't going to die. Where did Funky go? Funky just moved under there somewhere. So anyway, we're going to have... Charlie looks like he's doing a lot better. I'm glad to see you up and about, Charlie. Where's my Leo? Oh, there's my Leo boy. Look! He's checking out the wheelbarrow my boss got out. Oh! Leo! Anyway, my boss said that we're gonna... It's kind of scary. Like, he's not... We're gonna have to move out, and... So, Kay and I are talking about how to transition the cats from being safe in this... From, you know, back into the Henderson yard. They feel so safe here with me now, but we're gonna have to transition them back into Henderson. You silly Leo. I'm gonna have to move my feeding station that's under the truck here. Slowly move it over to Henderson. And anyway, so that's why I'm feeding. I fed them their fish this morning under the Henderson fence. I moved all the tins into Henderson. Oh, it's so hard. Where is... Oh, that was a yawn by Charlie. Where did my Leo go? Leo? Where's my Leo boy? Let me love on you, baby. Leo didn't eat any of his tuna. I think he licked a little bit of it, and then I've noticed that he can't seem to eat at all when he's stressed. But Funky ate, even though they got scared off with all the noise. Funky ate, Charlie ate. Oh, I'm gonna miss these guys next week. Gonna go see if I can find them, Leo. Charlie. I am so happy to see you doing better. Where's my Leo boy? Where's my Leo boy? Where did you go, Leo? Leo, I want you to have some of your tuna. Oh man, I gotta get back to the front. One of our employees is coming over, damn it. Okay, Leo. Hi, Funky. Hi, Funky. I'll leave this tuna for you, darling. There you go. You want to have mackerel and tuna all in one morning? Okay, bye, darlings.